change the frequency in that block.
a story about Minnie the Moocher. She was a low-down hoochie-coocher. She was the roughest, toughest frail. Minnie had a heart as big as a whale. Heidi, 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 ho! Heidi, 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 ho! Eddie, 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 Eddie! Eddie, 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 Eddie! Whoa!
It's going to change the frequency in that block.
In '92 we bought a V8 Rover from the wreckers. Petrol at that stage was 42 cents a litre. Government always tells the truth. They said the petrol never ever exceed 42 cents a litre. 1 week later, after we had the car on the road, it had hit 53 and rising quickly. I just went, grabbed this stainless steel from the scrapyards, threw it all together in some weird order. I don't even know why, how or anything. On a Friday afternoon, which was my son's birthday, the 9th of October, I threw it onto a car. This was on the Rover, this cell. Now I didn't hook it up to the carburetor, to the intake. I don't even know why I put it where I put it. But it ended up going, hooking up plain straight water through these neutral plates onto heat exchange on the 79 Rover SD 13500, not fuel injected, just carburetor. Disconnected all the fuel lines, all the fuel, everything else. Disconnected them, not left them on, pulled them all off. Hit the key, the damn thing run.
Now, here are some of the engines we made here. Volvo. This is also another Volvo. All these are brand new. We have about 16 of these brand new engines. All Volvo.
Yeah.
Natural power has been the heritage of mankind since the earth was created. To man was left the adaptation of this power so that it could be harnessed to industry. Prehistoric inhabitants of the world must have stood in awe before huge waterfalls or crouched in fear in their caves as the wind whistled and shrieked overhead, little dreaming of the vast resources hidden therein. Through the ages, this initial wonderment has given place to curiosity, familiarity, and finally adaptation. With years of evolution came the windmill and the water wheel, both of which have dotted the countryside since the earliest days. While the use of wind has steadily decreased, water power has been developed to a very high degree, some of the largest electric supply stations in the world being driven by natural power. It was soon realized, however, that while admitting the efficiency of water and wind, they were also locally controlled, and that what was needed was a mobile unit generating its own power. Thus came the introduction of the internal combustion engine, the foundation of the automobile industry. With numerous components working at high speeds, it calls for a great degree of efficiency in manufacture to generate a predetermined power and to be able to run for long periods on a small fuel consumption. Let us briefly describe the methods which are used.
Thank you.